jntuk r23 రెగ్యులేషన్ సప్లిమెంటరీ ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్ మే మంత్ జరిగినటువంటి ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంది 2025 సబ్జెక్ట్ ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ కామన్ టు సిఎస్సి ఏఎంఎల్ సిఎస్సి ఏఐ అండ్ ఏఐఎంఎల్ పార్ట్ ఏలో 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ జరిగింది. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్లో వాట్ ఈజ్ అన్ ఏజెంట్, డిఫైన్ ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్, డిఫైన్ యూనిఫార్మ్డ్ సెర్చ్, explain minimum max algorithm, define frame with example, define Bayesian brief network, what are the components of propositional logic, define inductive learning, define expert system, what are the characteristics of expert systems. Part B లో యూనిట్ 1 నుంచి సెకండ్లో explain in detail the structure of different intelligent agent, list and explain in detail about properties of environment. యూనిట్ 2 నుంచి తాళ్ళు what is a star search, explain various stages of a star search with an example. What is the benefits of using alpha beta pruning on minimax gate tree? Are there any factors on which this benefit depends? యూనిట్ 3 నుంచి 4th give semantic nets to describe the following. Narayan is a writer. Narayan is a liver in Bombay. Ishwar is a teacher. Ishwar lives in Bangalore. Narayan sent a copy of his book is Ishwar. Ishwar sent his book thanks to Narayan. B. Discuss with an example the scope and limitations of knowledge representation using professional logic and first order predicate logic. Unit 4 నుంచి 5th given following the information in a database. A1. If x is an top of y comma y support x. A2. If x is above y and they are touching each other, x is on top of y. A3. A cup is above book. A4. A cup is touching a book. Translate transition A1 through A4 into casual form. B. Explain in detail about reasoning system for categories. Unit 5 నుంచి 6th explain process of knowledge acquisition validation for expert system. B. With neat sketch explain architecture, characteristics, features and role of expert system. Thank you.